How to add audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your project is open, navigate to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find your media pool where you can import your audio files. Once your audio is imported, go to the Edit tab to access the timeline. Now, drag and drop your audio file from the media pool onto the timeline. Place it below your video track on an empty audio track. If you need to add a new audio track, right-click on the timeline, select Add Track and choose Add Audio Track. Next, adjust the length of your audio clip by dragging its end. You can trim or stretch the audio to match your video. Use the Inspector panel to adjust the audio's volume, pitch, and apply audio effects. If you need to split the audio, place the playhead where you want to cut and choose Blade from the tools. You can also use the fade handles on the audio track to add spot fade ins or fade outs. Once you are happy with your audio, remember to save your project by going to the File menu and selecting Save Project. And that's it. Now you know how to add audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.